Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is install some stump grip on our bike and put it right here. So you want to get your napkin or a hand towel and just wipe where you're gonna put it, and then you just want to go ahead and install it. So you want to get it with alcohol and just wipe it a little bit so it can stick properly. So once you wipe it with the alcohol, you want to get the side. You just want to measure it up, make sure it's going to go right where you need it to be before you peel the sticky part off. Alright guys, you can see we put on one already. It's clear. I got the clear one so I don't hide the paint, but you can see it right there. It's time to put this one on. This piece just like this should line up just like that. So you can see we have some air bubbles trapped, but we can just get it with a small pin to release the air, and it will look like this one right here. So guys, this is the tank grip. I still haven't get a needle and let the air out right here, but you can see that side is like that, and this side is when I get really good at it. This side is good, no bubbles in it, and it feels really good on the bike, guys. So yeah, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Link will be in the description for where I get those tank grip.